Hello friends, today's topic 10% crash in Kotak Mahindra Bank only in one day. Why? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society and financial education. Kotak Mahindra Bank shares crashed by 10.7% today. This is because yesterday evening there was an announcement that RBI has barred Kotak Mahindra Bank from onboarding or accepting new customer bank accounts through its online and mobile banking channels and also from issuing fresh credit cards due to concerns over its technology platforms. RBI has taken this action after examining Kotak Mahindra Bank's IT system for the last 2 years, 2022 and 2023, and the failure of the bank to solve the concerns of RBI. The RBI has said that the ban will not impact existing customers and Kotak can continue to provide services to them, including its credit card customers. A significant portion of new account openings for Kotak Mahindra Bank happen through online and mobile banking channels, and hence by banning this source of new customers, the bank's business growth will be impacted until the ban is lifted by RBI. The digital segment has shown an impressive growth of 40% the last 1 year compared to the overall growth of rate of 18%. Its credit card business will be negatively impacted as well. Deficiencies observed by RBI. Serious deficiencies and non-compliance were observed in the areas of IT inventory management and change management, user access management, vendor risk management, data security and data leak prevention strategy, business continuity and disaster recovery, etc. As per RBI, even after correction, action plans issued by RBI for the years 2022 and 23, the steps taken by Kotak Mahindra Bank were inadequate, incorrect, and not sustained. RBI was not satisfied with the bank's steps to solve the IT problems. Hence, RBI was forced to order this ban on accepting new customers through online models. Due to lack of strong and stable IT infrastructure and IT risk management framework, Kotak Mahindra's bank core banking system (CBS) and its online and digital banking channels have suffered frequent and significant outages the last 2 years, including as recently as 15th April 2024. This has resulted in customers being inconvenienced. RBI said that this action has been taken to ensure that new customers are not inconvenienced until the IT systems are stronger and more stable. However, RBI said the restrictions being imposed will be reviewed upon completion of comprehensive external audit after Kotak Mahindra Bank takes corrective steps. Similar action on HDFC Bank in 2020. A similar action had been taken by RBI against HDFC Bank in 2020 when it asked HDFC Bank to put all new digital launches on hold till the bank resolves technical issues. HDFC Bank was barred from launching any new digital products or services and issuing new credit cards as a penalty for repeated instances of outages in its online platforms. Later in August 2021, the RBI partially revoked the ban on the bank, allowing it to issue new credit cards. In March 2022, the bank informed the exchanges that the RBI has lifted the restrictions that were placed on the fresh digital launches of HDFC Bank. Due to this action by RBI and Kotak Mahindra Bank, many brokerage companies have reduced their target price on the shares. The RBI ban on online account opening is likely to negatively impact revenue and profitability. The longer the ban stays, the more the impact. So we need to see how quickly Kotak Mahindra Bank can take satisfactory steps and when RBI lifts the ban. For HDFC Bank, which faced similar regulatory action from the RBI in 2020, it took the bank approximately up to 15 months to resolve the issues. We need to wait and see how Kotak Mahindra Bank comes out of this temporary setback and also how the shares react in the coming days. End of the video, here is a question. Do you expect some more weaknesses in Kotak Mahindra Bank shares in the coming days? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.